In these tutorials, I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do to trace your ancestry back to the 1800s. Drawing on my personal experience pioneering research into this field, I used myself as a case study to show you how you could do the same to grow your family tree. I'll show you step by step how I found my grandfather and my great-grandfather free without paying a dime in subscription payments to ancestry.com or any of the other subscription websites. You'll gain a broad understanding of how to use online research databases to find your ancestors relatively quickly. Let me show you what my tutorials can do for you. With my online tutorials, I'll show you how to navigate the family search site. I'll tell you where and how to begin. You'll get the most from my tutorials if you have to hand a copy of A Tree Without Roots, the guide to tracing African, British and Asian Caribbean ancestry. You can get a copy from the Ancestry Talks with Paul Crooks website at www.paulcrooks.info. And the great thing is, I can give you an amazing deal if you buy all the tutorials within the module. I can give you £20 off if you buy the premium bundle of all 10 tutorials, and money off if you buy any of the other tutorial bundles. I promise you, I'll do my best to create the best tutorials for you, and I can tell you that the best is yet to come. Follow me on Facebook at Ancestry Talks. That's where I'll be announcing the release of further tutorials and developments to help overcome the challenges you may face tracing back to the early 1800s. You can also sign up for other key announcements at the Ancestry Talks with Paul Crooks website, www.paulcrooks.info.